So there are actually different types of defamation. We have libel and we have slander. So libel is written defamatory statements. Like if somebody posts something online, you are an olosho or this thing. And for that one, for libel, it's easier to prove in the court of law, because when the court sees it, they even this one, you don't really have to go to that extra mile, start proving damages. This is what I suffered, I lost money. The court actually already presumes that for somebody to have posted this online to a third party platform, that of course you would have suffered this thing. But for slander is spoken words. For you to remember slander, S for slander, S for spoken word. So that's how I used to remember, is S slander, S spoken word. So this is one that somebody say to you, or maybe you're in the market, somebody just say, Olosho, now yeah, the follow talk, something like that. So you have to prove to court of law that this particular word, that one has specific evidence that you have to give, that it affected you, economic, this thing, and all of this one has more higher bar of proving. So anytime somebody want to defame you, always pray they should use libel to defame you, because with libel, the judge does not require higher proof of proving your damages. Like the court already presumes that this is what happened, something. But with spoken words, you have to buy a high gun. So you have to choose that, immediately they called you olosho in the market, though the market women did not sell to you, you lost friends, you lost relationship, you have the burden of proof is high for that one. So always pray let them defame you with libel. But then there's actually an exception to slander, spoken words, and the exception, they actually call it slander per se, which means that if somebody say these specific words to you, there is no standard of proof that you need. For example, if somebody call you olosho, that's a molosho at the top. Olosho means when you have so many sexual disease. Normally is attacking your personality, your morality. That one, the judge already presumes that it's going to affect your individuality. You does not have this thing. If somebody is spreading rumors that you have a communicable disease, maybe somebody say you have HIV when you don't have, the court already presumes that of course it will affect your personality. Or if somebody say you this akpayon, right, maybe you buy somebody, that one, the court, all those extreme words that has to do with like a name tag, olosho, akpayon, ole. I'm just saying it like stealing kinekon. I'm just saying it in my language so that they will not flag my video, right? Or calling somebody that sleep around. I'm trying to say it in English. Or somebody that buy somebody, something like that. Those ones, you don't need extra proof to show the judge that this is what it affected me. Like, I hope this video was helpful. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumb up, give it a like, give it a share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.